The Redmi Note 12 Turbo makes its way to Geekbench as the company confirms official specifications ahead of the launch. The Redmi Note 12 Turbo has model number 23049RAD8C according to the Geekbench listing obtained by 91 Mobiles. The listing emphasizes the performance improvements of the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor that drives the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. On the Geekbench 6 single core and multi core tests, it received 1484 and 4257 points respectively. The description also discloses that the phone comes pre-installed with Android 13. We may anticipate a layer of MIUI 14 on top of Android. According to the rumor, Xiaomi will debut the phone with at least 12 gigabytes of RAM. Lower RAM variants for the device are likely to make their debut. In addition to the Geekbench listing, some further information regarding the Redmi Note 12 Turbo has been disclosed. The phone will include a 3725mm square vapour chamber to keep things cool beneath the hood. It will also come with a 5000 mAh battery. A 3.5mm headphone jack is included on the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Xiaomi has also stated that the phone would weigh around 181 grams and be 7.99mm thick. The phone's front will feature minimal bezels surrounding the display, which will have a hole punch cutout at the top. The top bezel is believed to be a 1.42mm thick, while the side bezels are 1.95mm thick. Xiaomi also disclosed that the chin bezel of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo will be 2.22mm thick. The phone will feature a screen to body ratio of 93.4% overall. A 64 megapixel primary camera sensor has been verified for the gadget. Some rumors suggest a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate capability and 67-watt quick charging.